Good morning, guys. Okay, let's talk a little about this interesting situation. Futures were indicating down as low as about 10 handles overnight, coming in now a little to about 680 and change. Actually, go to tracement. It's going to be an interesting open. We're not 100% sure where we're going and what's going to go on, but let's take a couple of possible scenarios and let's try to figure out how to place the right positions. Right? First of all, we're still down, give or take 7 handles. So anyone who likes to blitz, take that first quick move down, short the things that aren't opening down enough. There's a play to do that. There's probably a play in some groups that have some flexibility if you can get them, which to me are gold, steel, oil, and banks. If you can get if things don't open down enough, right, and you can get them short, you take that first move down, you can probably, put a couple of bucks in your pocket on that quick move. Overall, my hope will be for more of a bounce with an opportunity to short thereafter. Reason being that, there's some, a lot of what you're seeing right now seems to be from the World Trade Organization fight that we're getting into with China right now. Not necessarily a wise move, but as that's happening, that's causing the market a lot of angst, and it's probably going to be, reflective today. My guess is all day long. So, and we've got a lot of room on the downside. We do have the possibility on the upside of, give or take, 10 points on the futures, if the market would have a rally at any period of time. But on the downside, there's a lot more room to go down. The market has, a clear path, down 400 points if it really wanted to go at any point. It won't do it in a day, but we definitely have room for a selling week in that situation. So I'm hoping for a bounce. I'm hoping for the market to take a move up. Basically from here another. Let me see where we are. Probably another few points. If the market can pull back, if the market can come up, another, close towards positive at any point over there, then I'm going to use that as a chance to get short. I'm going to use that as my entry point. I don't think the market has a lot of legs on the upside. I think there's going to be a lot more downward pressure, especially if China wants to retaliate on the tariff side, which they've indicated towards things like autos. If that's the case, I think we're in for a whopper. There's some fairly negative news on the dollar, fairly negative news on some other stuff. I don't see a lot happening. Oil just really died. Oil just had a huge bounce to down 20 cents, followed by a bounce just now since I started talking of 40 cents back down. So it's all over the place. All that being said, just be a little cautious. Use the market now as kind of a gauge for the next bunch of days. I don't think that we're going to have the legs that we had last week on the upside. I think that they kind of ran out of steam on Friday. So when you're looking at the market this week, look from it as once we start breaking through points of support, use that as a chance to get in to short stocks. If you're going to, I'm going to continue like I've been doing all month. Really, I'm going to continue to short the rallies. That has been working, and I'm going to use any short-term bounces as a chance to get short, and I'm going to use any breakdowns in support as a chance to really pile on the positions, to see where we can go, because I think we've got the room on the downside. Eve?
Da-da-da-da.